Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office 2019 step by step. Before installing Microsoft Office 2019, the very first step is to make sure there are no other versions of Office installed on your computer. Office 2019 cannot be installed if another version, like Microsoft 365, is already present. Once that's done, go to your desktop, right-click, and create a new folder. Let's name this folder Office so we can stay organized. Next, open your browser and go to Google. Type in Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center and click on the official link. On this page, scroll down until you find the option Create a New Configuration and select it. Here you'll need to choose your system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Most modern computers are 64-bit. To check yours, right-click this PC, go to Properties, and confirm the system type. I'll select 64-bit for this example. Now, under Office Suites, select Office Professional Plus 2019. This edition includes extra apps like Access and Publisher, unlike the standard edition. Leave the other settings as default, unless you want to turn off specific apps, such as OneDrive or Outlook, before installing. After making your selections, continue by clicking Next. For the language, choose English, United States, or add additional languages if you need them. Leave the rest of the installation options at their default values and keep moving forward by clicking Next until you reach License and Activation. Here, leave it set to Key Management Service, KMS. Once you reach the end, click Finish. Now look at the top right of the page and click Export. Select Office Open XML format. Accept the terms. Give your configuration a name, for example, Steps, and then click Export. The file will download to your computer. Next, copy this file into the folder we created earlier on the desktop, named Office. After that, go back to Google and search for Microsoft Office Deployment Tool. Download it from the official Microsoft site, then run the installer. When prompted, accept the terms and extract the files directly into your Office folder. Now open the Office folder. You'll see several configuration files. Delete all of them, except two, setup.exe and the XML file we exported earlier, Steps. That leaves us with just two files in the folder. Next, copy the folder path. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type cd, add a space, and paste the folder path. Then press Enter to navigate into the folder. Now type the following command. Setup space /configure space steps.xml. Make sure the name of the XML file matches the one you saved earlier. Then press Enter. This will begin downloading and installing Microsoft Office 2019. Installation requires an internet connection. Once the installation is finished, you can check by opening Word, Excel, or any other Office application. For example, search for Word in the Start menu. You should now see Microsoft Word 2019 installed and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Office 2019 on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials and turn on the bell notification so you never miss our future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.